In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor social media conversations using Hootsuite. If you're looking to keep a pulse on your brand or keep up with industry trends, Hootsuite streams can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open Chrome and head over to hootsuite.com. Once you arrive, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up by following the prompts on the website. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, which is the central hub for all your social media monitoring needs. Now look for the Streams tab, which you'll find on the left side of the menu. Streams are essentially the windows through which you can view real-time data and interactions from your social media channels. Once you click on it, you'll see any streams you might have set up previously and, more importantly, the option to add new ones. You'll want to add a new stream, which is where the magic begins. Look for the option labeled Add Stream and click on it. From here, you can choose different types of streams, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on social listening. Select this option, as it allows you to monitor the digital conversation around your brand, competitors, or any topic of interest. The next step is defining what exactly you want to keep an eye on. Hootsuite makes this easy by letting you choose specific keywords, hashtags, or topics. Think of it as setting up Google Alerts but for social media. Consider the words or phrases that people use when talking about your brand, industry, or competitors. If you're unsure where to start, think about commonly used hashtags or key terms in your sector. Simply enter them in the provided fields and the stream will begin to populate with real-time data. This brings us to one of the most powerful aspects of Hootsuite streams, reviewing real-time mentions and conversations. As your stream updates, you'll see current posts, comments, and interactions that match your chosen keywords. Spend some time scrolling through these mentions to get a feel for the ongoing conversations. This can be incredibly insightful, helping you identify patterns, sentiments, or even potential crises before they escalate. Now, what if you need to take action? You can engage directly with users from within the Hootsuite platform. Whether it's responding to comments, liking posts, or retweeting, the platform makes it seamless. And if you need to analyze or share this data with your team, you can export it for further review. And that's it. By setting up and utilizing social listening streams, you can stay informed and proactive in your social media strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips and tutorials.